everyone, my name is Lena Nguyen. I'm a family law attorney licensed in Texas and California. Today I'm going to be talking about the difference between judgment rendered and entry of judgment. So what's the difference between the date a judgment is rendered and the entry of judgment date? And what date is considered the date of your divorce? Parties sometimes encounter this question after an uncontested divorce prove-up hearing. An uncontested divorce prove-up hearing is the final hearing in a divorce case when the parties have come to an agreement regarding their children and the division of their property. At this final hearing, the parties are asking the judge to approve their agreement and to grant them a divorce. Sometimes the parties will not have their divorce decree completely drafted and for this final hearing, so instead they may have an agreement like a mediated settlement agreement. In this particular case, the judge will give the parties an entry of judgment date, or an entry date for short, and that's the date that they have to get all their documents in and their final decree signed and filed with the court. Parties may also encounter this question if they had a trial and the judge gives a verdict. In both these instances and other instances where you hear the term judgment rendered, that date is considered the official date of your divorce. The entry of judgment date is simply a clerical date. It is for the parties to get all necessary documents signed and filed with the court. If the documents are not signed and filed, the judge could dismiss the case and the case would have to be retried.
Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you live in Texas and would like a free self-help divorce kit, please check the description box below to sign up.